So I decided to fix that old worn out one, and I think a shim on this side 1mm should do the trick. Yeah. So I found this shim in the stash and it fits perfectly. Yeah. No need to cut anything. Just get the length right. That's also okay. So just need to drill a hole. That's all we need to do. Well, it's one with a metric thread. That's new. So M10. Oh, that's it. It's the finished product. I'm not gonna glue it in. I'm just gonna let the bolt keep it. Yeah. That significantly reduced the play in the sidewards play. Sure, we have the upwards one now, but better than sideways. It's fixed. That is fixed. Yeah. You have a little misalignment here, like 1/2 millimeter. That's okay. That's it. That thing is ready for sale. Feel better now that it's not that sloppy anymore. Much better. Yeah. Thing is finished.